The TVS Group, founded by TV Sundaramayangar, traces its origin to a rural transport service founded in 1911 in Tamil Nadu, India.
Sundaram Industries has been there in vogue for over 45 years, and in fact it is one of the mother organizations of all the TVS industry.
SIRF, being the largest manufacturer of molded rubber products, manufactures about 6,000 varieties of products that get supplied to OEM customers like Maruti, Ashok Leyland and Ford Motors, and system suppliers like Tire One Manufacturing.
Sometime in early 2007, I had attended a competency assessment workshop of the CII where I met Dean of the CEO and got quite impressed with some of the valuable things that he had been mentioning over there. We then invited him to come over to Madurai and take a look at our setup here in Sundaram Industries and TVS Sri Chakra. His team came for doing a diagnostic study for 3 days, both at Sundaram Industries and TVS Sri Chakra, and then they recommended that it would be fair enough for us to go for self-directed work teams.
We found SDWT to be a concept which should aid us to work as a team. That I was new into this industry. I was trying to get into a concept where I would be able to bring in a certain amount of ownership and a team culture.
T journey had its auspicious start on July 2007. The kickoff was not just an official start, but was a platform for the team and key officials to orient themselves to the business reasons for the project.
அது வந்து இண்டிவிஜுவலா இல்லாம சரி நீயும் ஓடணும் நானும் ஓடணும் ரெண்டு பேரும் சேர்ந்து ஓடுறதுனால குழுவா இருந்து நம்ம செயல்படுறதுனால இந்த சக்சஸ் நம்மளாட்ட அச்சீவ் பண்ண முடிஞ்சிச்சுன்னா I think we'll be one of the greatest companies in the world. இந்த 2012 பதிலா 2010 அச்சீவ் பண்ணக்கூடியது உங்க கையில இருக்கு.
They are very proud to say that I know 3R machines operation. The multi-skill is improved lot.
On the same, a skill matrix was developed for each employee and consistent technical on-job training was provided to groom and enhance their skill levels.
Normally this job is programming and modeling is done by a supervisor which is of a DMA cadre. This is the kind of skill we have imparted to few employees. The people is absent, this multi-skilling helped us to replace them in case of absentee, and we are meeting our production targets or commitments we give to production by covering this absenteeism because of multi-skill.
What gets measured gets improved. Excellent scorecard helps in converting the feel-good factors into measurable business performance parameters like production, quality, cost, delivery, safety and morale. DWT has different communication forums like shift assembly meeting, open board communication, weekly meeting and resource meeting. Shift assembly meeting, the daily shift-based information exchanger, helps the incoming and outgoing teams to share shift-related information. The 5-minute standing meeting helps the team to analyze performance of the shift gone by and plan for the next shift.
I'm Vijay Karan. Uniqueness of our plant is we don't have any departments and we don't restrict ourselves to a particular department. Instead, we have value chain teams. A value chain team is a small natural team which is responsible for a particular value addition to the end product. These small natural teams have helped us in breaking functional barriers and producing results which far better than the conventional model. As you see, we are a young team with high energy levels. We always enjoy positive competition. We want to succeed in every sphere of life and we want to strive for excellence in everything we do. To add fuel to our burning desire, we have a very innovative reward and recognition system which is very dynamic and exciting. That is eScore. This eScore converts all our performance into scores, making our workplace more a place of playground. Each of us bats well to score maximum and whoever tops will get the reward. We are not restricted only to our work. We do a lot more after our office hours, which includes sports, education and cultural activities. We are into continuous education program and we spend all our energy in a meaningful way.
And the work is independent. Komitmen yang diberikan semakin lama semakin baik.
Dapat meningkatkan prestasi yang baik untuk setiap pekerja di
kami sendiri solve segala problem.